I've seen all our visitor infrastructure washed away and a huge amount of damage to the natural environment here as well. At this location we had ranger residence, visitor infrastructure, car parks, walkways, gangways to load visitors onto the boat tour that we had operating here. And that's all been covered in silt and sand or washed away down the river. So the river used to be a really deep navigable channel, and at the moment we're not sure if we've still got that in place. Whether we can launch a boat and run a boat tour is still something that we've got to determine. We're hoping that the wet season will allow us to have a better look and make some of those decisions and map the river and a navigable channel. The park is currently closed. There's safety factors at play, and we currently don't have any facilities for those visitors to use. To restore the area back to something that we can utilise, we've got to consult widely with the traditional owners and go through remedial works, cleaning up all the debris, and then planning what can go here in the future. We need to look at the river and what possibilities that river offers us in terms of being able to run a boat tour. I think that the first thing is deciding what activities can take place at this site in the future, and then from there working backwards, looking at car parks, re-establishing the toilets, and some kind of visitor hub at this site. Been a massive amount of change that's happened at this site, and a huge amount of devastation. We want to make sure that when we do open, we do it right. And go through the right processes with the right people, so that when it does open, we're doing it the right way.